Hello people, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my another Photoshop tutorial. And today some of my friends just requested me that please give the landscape preset from the for the camera raw filter. So that's why I'm making this video, and I'm going to the file and open. Today I'll give you the free camera raw preset for the landscape photography, and I downloaded some landscape photography from the unsplash.com, and you'll get the download link of the preset in my video description, so check it out. Okay, this one is my picture, the stock image, whatever you can tell. Press Ctrl J for the another copy of this background layer and go to the filter and camera filter. If you want to get the camera filter by default in your Photoshop, please install the Photoshop Creative Cloud version. You'll get it automatically actually. Okay, go to these options and load settings, and here is my preset, that is the landscape preset free for XMP file, and I'll give this file in deviantart.com, and you can download there over there, and you have to unzip that one and just click here and press the open. Okay, you'll get this effect on your photo. Let's see the before and after. Yes, the before one, the dull picture, and the after one like that. You can edit this picture by using the HSL. You can increase the saturation or luminance. You can, if you want, you can increase the saturation, whatever you can do, and you can edit this one and hit the OK button. You'll get a huge change of the before and after image, and I have a couple of pictures of landscape photography, and I'll show you how to just give you the result of this preset actually. Okay, I'm press open, and here is another photo, the hill photo, and Ctrl J for the another layer and go to the filter, camera filter. From the camera filter, go to the settings and the load settings option and load this preset. Yes, this one. Yeah, the huge change in your photo, and you'll get the just look that is like fantasy look or shadow highlighting, and hit the OK button. Okay, the before one and after one. Let's see another picture. Let's try actually. Here is this picture, the lake and the hill, proper landscape photography. Press Ctrl J and make copy, go to the filter and camera filter. From the camera filter, go to the load setting option and just load this preset, and you'll get the amazing thing. Let's see the before and after. You can add a little bit shadow over there and highlight a little bit. Yeah, the dreamy actually, you're getting the proper effect, whatever you want, and hit the OK button like that. Press Ctrl J and go to the filter, camera filter, same process actually, and load setting again and load this preset. Yeah, you'll get vivid color. In this photo we need to add some just exposure and the shadow. You'll get a huge change of the before one and after one, and dreamy look, and hit the OK button. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, the before one and after one. Let's try another photo. Open. Okay, go to the file and open. Let's try another photo. Yeah, it's loading actually. File and open. Yes, from this one, and hit the OK button. Or we should try another photo like that. Yes, the desert, and go to the just press Ctrl J and go to the filter and camera filter. From the camera filter, load settings option and load this preset. You'll get this one, but you need to add some shadow and add some just exposure over there. You can control the saturation of orange. You should just reduce something, and let's see the before one and after one. Okay, before one and after one. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question or query, please do comment on my video comment section. If you want to get the preset in a free of cost, please just subscribe my channel and go to my video detail and you'll get the downloading over there. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye.